Okay, good day ladies and gentlemen, Joy Stephen outside the Paulinson Studios, and today I am in front of the Notre Dame Basilica here in Montreal. It is the beginning of March, still winter, and you can see snow on the ground. Notre Dame, the small and original chapel, was operated at first by the Jesuits. Its construction in Baroque style was completed in 1672, between 1672 and 1683. Today I'm going to talk about the Quebec Skilled Program, so don't be astonished why I'm taking this video in front of this basilica here in downtown Montreal. I just take this just to expose or bring to you some idea as to how Montreal looks and what you can see around in Montreal. This church sets back from the road, was demolished in the summer of 1830. Except for its bell tower, which survived until 1843. The western tower, nicknamed La Perseverance and finished in 1841, houses the great bell christened Jean-Baptiste, weighing around 11 tons. The eastern tower, nicknamed La Temperance, was completed in 1843 and houses the Carillon of 10 bells. Now, let us discuss the Mon Project of Quebec. Online submissions of Quebec Permanent Residence under Skilled Worker Program. Now, the Mon Project Quebec is an online application portal for Quebec Immigration, and it is modeled similar to the Federal Express Entry Program, with differences of course. This project allows applications to be accepted online, and the program is currently operational only for Skilled Worker Program for international applications or applications outside Quebec. The Mon Project Quebec accepts skilled worker applications for Quebec Permanent Residence applications and issues Quebec Selection Certificate to successful candidates. The first Mon Project selection is based on a point system, and the points awarded, if you are single, you need a minimum of 49 points, and if you are married or with a common law, you need 57 points to qualify. Other factors influencing points are education, work experience, age, language proficiency, validated employment offer, financial self-sufficiency, and stay and family in Quebec, and spouse and common law partners' age, spouse and common law partners' French language proficiency, children. Okay, now let us talk one by one, and the first one is education, which gives you a maximum of 30 points. Education has two separate sections. One, maximum points for the level of education is 14. I have displayed here in the chart enlisting the level of education and the corresponding points. Please note your points for use in the worksheet and write it down. You can you can pause this video, take it down, and continue this video after you have taken down your points. The second point in this section is the maximum points awarded for training, which is 16 points. The experience has to be within 5 years preceding the application for a CSQ application. All the candidate must have legally practiced for at least 1 year during the 5 year preceding the application for a CSQ. A profession directly related to the diploma or degree obtained and for which he or she has been assessed. The points for each area of training is provided in a PDF document. Please review the document and match the profession with the one listed in your PDF document. The second section is points for work experience, and the maximum for work experience is 8 points. And here is the chart. The third section is points for age, and the maximum points is 16. Please review the chart and note the points corresponding to your age. The fourth section is points for language proficiency. This section is divided into two. One is points for proficiency in French, and the second is for proficiency in English. This is the chart for French proficiency. Please note down the points corresponding to your proficiency level. Now, this is the chart for proficiency in English. Please pause and please click on the pause button, compare your proficiency level and note it down. Now, the fifth section is points for validated employment offer, and the maximum is 10 points. If your employment offer is for a job within the Montreal area, the points awarded is 6 points, and if the employment offer is for job outside the Montreal area, the points awarded is 10 points. The sixth section is points for financial self-sufficiency, and the maximum is 1 point. If you sign a financial autonomy contract, you will be awarded this point, and the contract you need to sign is mandatory. The seventh section awards points for links with Quebec, and the maximum is 8 points and has two parts. The first part covers your time in Quebec, and the maximum points is 5 points. Here, points are awarded based on the time you spend in the province of Quebec and the purpose of your visit. This chart is self-explanatory, and if you have spent time in Quebec, please match the points corresponding to your situation and write it down in the The second part provides points for family in Quebec, and the maximum points awarded is 3 points. And this chart explains this part. If you have a relative in Quebec, please pause, write down the points corresponding to your situation, and then proceed. The eighth section is for married individuals or common law individuals and covers spouses education training area and training. Maximum is 4 points. This can be viewed in the PDF document which is attached in the script of this video. The ninth section is for married individuals or common law individuals and covers points for age of spouse. This chart illustrates those points. The 10th section is for language proficiency of spouse, and the maximum points for this section is 6 points. Please click on the pause button, review this section and proceed. The 11th section is for applicants with children. Quebec Immigration awards points if you have children. Each child 12 years or below in age, you earn 4 points, and each child 13 to 21, you earn 2 points, and the maximum points you can earn is 8 points. I have also provided here a chart showing financial self-sufficiency amount which you need to demonstrate while applying for Quebec Skilled. This video shows in entirety about the point system for the Quebec Skilled for the 2016 intake. I will be coming out with more videos on the approach to application shortly. Please click on the subscribe button below to be updated of the new videos. I am not a Quebec counsel. However, when you sign up with Polinsys for services, you will be represented by a high-profile Quebec authorized representative authorized by the government of Quebec to represent you. If you are keen on being represented, please email support@polinsys.com. I hope this video has provided you with the information you are looking for. If you need more information, please feel free to post your questions on my blog, reportersreport.com. Good luck to all of you. This is Joy Stephen signing off. Adios.